Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. Thanks for your lovely messages, views. Thanks a lot. Your messages and comments boost my confidence. So thanks once again. So today's our topic will be on Vastu. I promise to make one more video, the part 3 on Vastu, and that I will be completing today. The last two directions which were left were northwest direction and the next is south direction. So before anybody new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that you will be notified of my latest videos. So let's start. For that I have to use my whiteboard. I hope everybody can see it. So I will draw. Let's assume this is our house. This is north direction, south direction, east direction and west direction. The middle portion is northeast. Here it is southeast, and the middle of SW is southwest, and here it is northwest direction. So today we will be doing on northwest direction and south direction. We have completed north, northeast, east, southeast, southwest and west. So let's take northwest direction. This direction is governed by support and banking. We used to get support and banking from this direction. If this direction is afflicted, then we won't get any support. If suppose we are approaching a bank to get the loan, and if this direction is afflicted by any colors or any anti element is present in this direction, then this direction will be afflicted. And if this direction is good one without any affliction, then it will be very easier. Suppose if we are going for any loan purpose, then we can get the loan very easily. And if anybody is unable to sell his property, then if that person keeps the documents or the papers of that property in this direction, then he can sell the property very easily, as this zone will help him in selling that property. This will support him. And if that person is not getting the loan from that any bank, then if he keeps the photo of that bank in this direction, then it will be easier for him to get the loan from that bank. So this is northwest direction. It's really beneficial. So our next direction will be on south direction. South direction, from this zone we used to see fame and relaxation. Fame and relaxation. This direction should be in good condition. If this direction will be afflicted, if any blue color or any black color comes in this direction, then this direction will be afflicted. This direction is governed is governed by fame and relaxation. If it is in good condition without any affliction, then we get good fame, good name and fame from the society or from the market. If it is afflicted, then there will be degrade in our fame, name and fame. So this zone should be in a very good condition, and this gives us relaxation also. We feel better in this direction. It's a good direction for branding purpose also. So here there should not be any blue color or any black color. We can put photos of Lord Hanuman, or in, if we say in Tamil, then Lord Anchiliyar Swami can be hanged on this direction. It's really beneficial. The Lord of this direction is Mars planet, and Hanuman is relates to Mars planet, so it's very beneficial. It's better to keep Hanuman photo in this position, so that we can get good name and fame. So this was the second direction. So today we have completed all the 8 directions. Before 2 directions I have made it, completed it. This was the last one, and one more I promised to tell you, that regarding the element theory. So let me complete it. Let me rub this board, so we can get a good space over here. It will be very clear for everybody. So what was the element theory? This is water, this is air, this is fire, this is earth, this is space. So water is north direction, fire is south direction, air is east direction, space is west direction. I hope everybody can see it. At the end I will give you the time so that you can take the screenshot of this picture. So here water will help air, air will help fire, fire will help earth, earth is going to help space, and space will help water. This is the theory. Water will help air, air will help fire, fire will help earth, earth will help space, and space will help water. And water destroys fire, water destroys fire, fire destroys space, space destroys air, air destroys earth, and earth destroys water. So this is the element theory. This is the picture inside this. What is mentioned, that it will destroy one another zone, and this is going to help the other zone. Outer one is helping one, and the inner one is destroying one. I will repeat once again. Water will destroy fire, fire will destroy space, space will destroy air, air is going to destroy earth, and earth is going to destroy water. So I hope this will be clear for each and everybody. If it's not clear, see the video 2 or 3 times, so it will be easier for you to understand. Air, we can mention air as plants also. So if you provide water to plants, then it will grow. So that's why it is helping. And if you put water on fire, then it is going to destroy fire. Fire, it relates to your south direction, southeast direction. So your problem, you may face problem in your cash and liquidity. And space is metal. This is metal element. This is metal element. Space is metal element. Metal elements cuts air. That means plants. Metal, any sharp item is used to cut the plants. So that's why it destroys air direction. If any white color, means space element governs white color, if it comes in the east direction, then it is going to hamper your social association. And if your east direction is afflicted, then your social connection will be disconnected, through which you may get the problem in marriages also, in childbirth also. There might be problem in few cases. So I hope you understood it, or for your better understanding, see the video once or twice, then it will be clear for all of you. So in my today's series, we have completed Vastu. I made 3 videos on it. So if anybody wants to see, they can see from the I button. If you press the I button, you will be getting those 2 videos also, and few other videos are also made on the same channel. You can see it. So that's all from today. See you once again in some other video. I'm trying to make my next video very soon on gems and stones. So don't forget to press the icon bell and like and share my channel, and for that you will be notified when my next video will be coming, so you can watch it. So thank you. Jai Shri Ram.